If you've been wanting to jump into Valorant but don't have an account yet, don't worry. Creating one is quick, easy, and I'll walk you through the entire process right now so you can start playing in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head to Google. Type in Valorant, and the very first result should be the official site, playvalorant.com. Go ahead and click that. Once the page loads, you'll see a big play free button right in the center, backed by a cinematic animation. Click it, and that will take you straight to the Riot Games sign up page. Since Riot Games is the developer behind Valorant, you'll need a Riot account to play. If you don't already have one, hit the Make One option. Here, you can either type in an email you want to use or connect an account you already have, Google, Facebook, Apple, even Xbox. Any of those will work, but for this tutorial, I'll type in an email manually. Next, just enter your date of birth. After that, you'll be asked to create a Riot username. This name is for your overall Riot account, not your in-game Valorant name, so don't stress too much about it. Then, create a secure password, confirm everything, and you're done. You've now officially created your new Valorant account. From here, you'll see a download button. Click it, and the Valorant installer will start downloading immediately. Once it's finished, run the installer, follow the setup steps, and you'll be ready to jump into the game. And that's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and you're now one step closer to locking in your favorite agent. If this tutorial helped you out, consider dropping a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.